Hi my beauties, namaste. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm there with another new video. In today's video, we'll be going to review the celebrity beauty brands which are there in India. Okay, so we will be reviewing some of the famous brands from some of the no top celebrities which they have launched or collaborated with other companies. So these we will be reviewing, and I hope many of you would already be knowing these brands which are very famous in the market. Like 82E, which has been owned by Deepika Padukone. There is K Beauty, which is owned by Katrina Kaif, and Hyphen, which is owned by Kriti Senon. These are the one which are no few of the famous beauty brand already there in the market. Okay, so today we'll be going to review on these brands, and yeah, there is one more brand which is there of Kareena Kapoor, which is not her own brand. It's a kind of collaboration with Sugar, which she has done. So that also we will see in today's video. Okay. So let's start with it. So the first brand which we are going to review today is 82E by Deepika Padukone. Okay, so if you see the overall overall product range of this brand, it looks fantastic in terms of the packaging. It is no very premium side, and it is very much similar to a brand which already exists in the market, that is Indie Wild. And if I talk about the price point, the products are priced a bit high for the Indian market. So yes, that is something which people may look if they want to buy this no, the brand from the product from this brand. Okay. Now there are few products which I have reviewed from this brand. Is one of them is Ashwagandha Bounce Moisturizer, which is there with niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, caffeine, ashwagandha, and all. So ingredient wise, there are a good ingredient which are put into in this moisturizer, and also this moisturizer is good for the oily skin type. And but in terms of price point, I find this moisturizer a bit high in price compared to the moisturizer which are already available in the market. Okay. Talking about the next product, that is Lotus Splash, which is a conditioning cleanser, which is quite good. It does the job of cleansing very beautifully, and it has a nice fragrance to it. So yes, if I see the brands like no Cetaphil, which are there with the cleanser, you can find a similar kinds of cleansing with Cetaphil also. So again, it's a good product. It does its job, but price point it's again on a higher side. Okay. So the third product which I have reviewed from this brand is the Pacholi Glow Sunscreen Oil. Okay, so sunscreen as a oil itself, I feel it's a bit no not so acceptable for the Indian market. And when I have used this product also, I find it bit sticky, and no, it's not suited for each and every skin type. Very greasy, and yeah, I would say it's not there for all the skin type. And again, after application of sunscreen, you cannot put anything like it. It already make your skin so greasy. Okay. So this is something which I found out from the no products when I reviews product when I have reviewed this brand. So yeah, you can definitely look into it. This is a if you can afford for this brand, you can definitely go for their Ashwagandha Bounce moisturizer and Lotus Splash. But already there are products available like this in market. Okay. So the next brand which we are going to review is by Kriti Senon, that is Hyphen. Okay, so this brand has a very beautiful packaging, and in terms of price point also, it looks quite okay. Coming to the products, products are like they are made to be multifunction. Like in one product, you can find two to three no You can use it into 2 3 ways. Now talking about the product which I have reviewed from this brand is the barrier repair cream, which is a very good cream. Like it's very lightweighted and moisturizing, and it good for a oily skin type. So as a barrier cream, I would say is a quite good product. Talking about the next product, which is their sunscreen. So again, what I feel with this sunscreen, like it is quite heavy, and if you use that two-finger rule and you apply the sunscreen on the face, it's bit no heavy, and it gives a lot of white cast. Like for me, it has given a lot of white cast, so I may not recommend this sunscreen. Another thing is that this sunscreen, in this sunscreen, it is mentioned that it is there with niacinamide and no other actives which are good for the skin, like high-end active. But the concentration of active put here is been put here is very less. So again, which is like none of the beneficial, or like it's not beneficial for the skin. So it's just for the claim sake they have put this name in the product labeling. Okay, so yeah, this was some of the two product which I have reviewed from Hyphen. So yeah, their barrier repair cream is good. You can definitely go for that product. Okay. So my next and the third brand which we are going to review today is K Beauty, which is owned by Katrina Kaif. Okay, so this is the first two were the skincare brand, and this is a color cosmetic brand. Basically, deals with all foundation, lipstick, all those stuff. And here also I have reviewed a few of their products, and I found overall as a brand, it has come up with a very beautiful range of products, and the shades which she has come up, whether it is on the blush and lipstick and all, these are quite good, and the brand is running very well in the market. Okay, now talking about the product, I have tried their foundation, which is very good. It's very lightweight foundation, good for the dry skin, and it gives a medium cover to your skin. So this is one of my topmost recommendation from this brand. Other product which you can look into from this brand is the loose powder and the compact powder. It also the brand does have the cream blush and the powder blush, which are no very trending, and no, for cream blush I liked a lot. Third thing which you can try there is the highlighter. They have the powder highlighter, they have the no liquid highlighter. So powder are good for the oily skin, and liquid for dry to normal skin. Okay, so overall, the brand is doing very well, and you can definitely try their product range. And any of you will definitely fit into your you know beauty routine, or howsoever you like the products. Okay. So this was the note top most brand which are trending right now in market. And there is one more brand which is not so popular, but it is no it is a celebrity brand which is by Kareena Kapoor. This brand is called Quinch, which she has collaborated with Sugar. So this is not so much there in the market. I haven't seen much marketing also done for this brand. And you can try their no cleansing lip balm, which is quite good product from the overall range of no products they have in the market. So a cleansing balm is the good one, which will give you a good cleansing like how regular cleansers gives, and in terms of the price point also it is quite okay. Okay, so these were few of my recommendations and review of the celebrity owned brand which are there in India, and hope this information will help you to find a right product for which can fit into your range. And yes, and hope you like my today's video. If you do, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification for my upcoming videos. Okay, and you can share this video to your friends and family so that they also can take the benefits of this product. They also can choose any of them from the celebrity owned brands. Okay, so it's the time to wrap up, guys. Thank you very much for watching my channel. This is Mrinali Chaudhary signing off. See you all next time with a new video. Bye bye.